Good evening, everybody. It's my delight and pleasure to welcome you all for this wonderful session, the valedictory ceremony of Train Your Brain workshop, an online workshop for executives. It's going to be a memorable one, inspiring one, and you're going to see and witness the ability of human brain, what training can do. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, from the darkness of ignorance to the light of enlightenment. Always knowledge is compared with light. And Max has been lighting lakhs of people over the past 28 years. So many workshops all over India and abroad. And our dream is to reach every single individual so that the best can be still made better. Let us take a sneak preview of what is Max and what is Max all about.
Credentials of promoters. Over 2 lakh benefited. Inspired lakhs of people. Workshops for all ages. Since 1993, a trendsetter in India to organize world records events, Limca Records events, national level memory championships, Asian level memory championship, memory fair, and Guinness record breaking event. National Memory Championships 1999 and 2000. World's biggest event for mind sport till date. India's only organization with 15 Limca and world records. Multiple memory feat, 16 memory disciplines simultaneously. Limca Book of Records recognized Dr. Reddy's unique record of the fastest handwriting change, just 9.44 minutes. Mr. Marish, Max Academy trainee, demonstrated 1 lakh year calendar and broke the Guinness record. Max workshops for school and college levels. Innovative products for students. All authored by Dr. J. N. Reddy. Innovative products for parents. Innovative products for teachers. Coverage by print, radio, and TV media. Brain behind the movement, Dr. J. N. Reddy. Life coach, mentor, convener of memory record events, handwriting record creator, practical psychology counselor, authored over 75 first-time books and tools. Founder Director of Max Academy and Chairman of Max eSmart Skills Private Limited, Doctorate in Science and former Professor of Loyola College, Chennai.
This is a thorough 360-degree of training brain in various facets, not just memory alone. Memory process itself is having 5 important steps. So we have given them all those 5 steps. The mind programming, that is the biggest block what people have. Call it students or call it executive. Mind programming is the need. Natural memory techniques, how to improve memory naturally. Creatively, how to improve memory. Then the usage of objects, remembering digits. Yes. Memory mnemonics, that's an ocean altogether. Perpetual calendar, where we hold a Limca record, world record. We even broke a Guinness record in this event. And memory software writing. Just before the start, people are talking about cyber security and things like that. And we have our own software writing, uniquely created. and how to remember professional data. As you know, an executive is estimated to have spending 1/3 of his time or her time in trying to remember things. So that is 1/3 of a day is too much. And in spite of that, if we personally ask, many people are not very excited with their memory power. That's not the case here. Remembering daily requirements, overcoming absent-mindedness. That's the most crucial thing. How to remember names and faces. While they meet so many people, yes, it's a big challenge. How to remember names and places. Permanent memory technique. What is the point in learning something today and forgetting in a week's time or month's time? And of course, memory's mother is concentration. And even if they learn everything, there is a killer, tension. So we paid attention to this tension, and we also learned tension releasing techniques. Yes. So this is just an overview of what we have seen. And this particular show is a show by the participants. They have done n number of demos, and in couple of demos we had to curtail so that we can save some time. You are going to see that. And we will start with collecting a few objects and digits. That is a basic memory demo with which generally things start. If somebody is giving a number and an object, how to remember them? The usual traditional method is mugging. But for mugging, why should we offer a program? People are experts already. You ask a student without understanding one single point, he or she will recollect everything. There is a teacher, you can ask them. They don't digest. That is why they say vomit in the exam, because vomit comes when it is not digested. So they are not digesting, they are not assimilating. Here, we are going to give them randomly objects. There is 1 to 100 numbers listed. I want you to choose a number of your choice, an object of your choice, a number of your choice, and an object of your choice. You are going to give, and we can use chat box extensively. It's free of cost anyway. Number and an object so that we can avoid chaos. So to start with, I will take from our guru, Dr. Jain Reddy, a number and an object. I know the object and the number, but still I'll take it from him. Sir, please unmute, sir.
01, excellence.
I know that is his number one expectation. Let us see. We are demonstrating in front of a person who has seen lakhs and lakhs of people doing it. So, yes, 01, excellence. So I'll take from another record holder, Vijay.
Yes.
A number and an object.
I'd go to my lucky number 09.
09.
Max eSmart.
Max eSmart. Thank you, Vijay. Max eSmart. Yes, he is giving us Max eSmart. Yes, please. Audience, please use the chat box, a number and an object of your choice. And there are some guests. I will choose, let me say if I can choose somebody, a number and an object of your choice. Yes, Dr. Sudhir, I'll take from you. You are definitely not a guest, but still I'll take from you, sir.
Yeah. 12. Computer.
12 computers. Let us see how these computers are going to do. So I have 25 Jupiter. Yeah, I think that's the only way to escape from Corona. Let us fly to Jupiter. 25 Jupiter. 14 pen. 08 CA. CA. 19 car. Do have some patience. We'll come to patience also. 10 book. We have another slide of 51 to 100 also. You can type numbers for that also. We'll quickly take it. A few more, Geeta. We'll stick to this 1 to 50. A few more. Yeah. 10 book is over. 19 car is over. We'll take 31 Venus. Maybe one last for this. Oh, there is a good student also. 04 studies. Very glad. 04 studies. Can we go to the next slide? Numbers from 51 to 100. 75. Brainstorm. Brainstorm. STORM storm. Brainstorm. ORM storm. Brainstorm. Yeah. Okay. I will take 87. Memory. 57. Tennis. 61. Night. 84. Shine. 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 Okay, there are some objects. I will maybe randomly change the number. 99. Awareness. Okay. 85. Sanitizer. 85. Sanitizer. 62. Light. Yeah, night should have light, 61 night, 62 light. Don't get a fight. 77. Wonderful. Damal Dumi. Fireworks are there. Don't worry. Damal Dumi. 65. Internet. And I'll take one last. To save time, our Limca record is, just to tell you, it is 5,000 objects. 5,000 objects is our Limca record. It's a 7 hours event. We don't have that much time. Okay, I will start with 98 PlayStation. I'm sure the student will be extremely happy. PlayStation. So, if I ask you, how many objects have we given? You may say roughly about 20, 21. No, they have to memorize 100 objects. You may wonder how. Yes, unless they remember the blanks, it's not going to be easy. They should remember the blanks also. They should remember where the objects are. They should remember where the blanks are also. So it is a 100-digit memory demo. So we have given them in a shuffled order. They are going to memorize it. And when they come back, they are going to do in 3 different orders: ascending order, descending order, meaning from the reverse, and of course, random, the most challenging. Random was the most challenging, as quoted by the record holders. It is the most challenging. But you ask any of our trainees, they will say it is the easiest because of our system. So these are the objects. Now we will also collect digits. Digits are extremely abstract. That is what everybody says. Digits are going to be abstract. But you are going to see how comfortably they are going to do it. And a 2 digits demo we have. We have a digits demo by a few people for about 20 pairs. And there is one person who wants to do a little more. So more set of techniques, next level. So somebody is going to memorize 100-digit number. If I'm going to tell you max E-smart number, people may need a small pen and paper. And if for an OTP, how people struggle. But here they're going to memorize digits randomly and do it. Just like objects, I need your help to randomly fill up the digits. Start giving your lucky number. As Vijay has already given his lucky number, there are so many participants here. Start sharing your lucky numbers. We will generate a number, absolutely randomly generated. We are not bringing any digit from home. The participant is going to get exposed only from here. So the chat box is already filled. Okay, and for sure, numbers will be repeated. So don't bother. It's all yours. 08, 17, 17, 18, 13, 13, 02, The next is 01. Oh, only 2200 messages. I am expecting more. Being in online classes, it should be more. Okay. 11. 06. 84. 12. 03. 18 again. Yes, it will be repeated. 18. 18. 23. 06. 09. 29. 15. 15. 18. Again 15. 09. 53. 48. 07. 63. 22. 04. 87. 21. I request the participants to make a careful note here. 04. 33. Quickly the remaining. 89. 75. 11. Again 11. 2 times. Yeah, 90. 90. 11 followed by 01. 33. 58. 87. 79. 99. 02. 98. 65. 22. 39. 86. 91. And 38. Can you show the full slide once? Smita? This we finished objects. Yes, digits. So we have generated this number. Now a quick question for all of you. Geeta, can you press B, letter B in the keypad? Or can you stop sharing for a moment? Okay. Can anyone tell what was the 13th pair? Even the person who gave must be finding it difficult. Is it not? Okay, I did not hint you before that I'm going to ask. But yes, just to show you, numbers are extremely abstract because they are meaningless. At least objects, there is some meaning, but again linked with a number. But full numbers are meaningless. And you will be happy to know our Limca record here is 2400 digits. And binary numbers, only combination of 1 and 0. There our record is 2000 digits. For the last 20 years, yes, unless Maxonians make a try, we call all our trainees Maxonians. Unless our Maxonians are going to make an attempt fresh, these records will stay for long. Now, objects we have collected, digits we have collected. They're going to memorize and come back to reload in ascending, descending, random, as I said. So here we have with so many blanks. And let us see how they are going to reel it out. Can I have the objects participants? Mr. Murali Krishna.
Yes, sir.
And Ilango. Mr. Murali Krishna, can you proceed in ascending order?
Yeah.
Is blindfolded just for people to see?
01 excellence.
Yes.
04 studies.
Yes.
08 CA.
Right.
09 Max eSmart.
Right.
10 book.
Right.
12 computer.
Right.
14 pen.
Right.
19 car.
Right.
25 Jupiter.
Right.
31 Venus.
Right?
57, tennis.
One moment. The slide is getting changed. 57.
57, tennis.
Yes, it should be tennis.
That's-
We will see it. Yes.
That's what I said.
Yes.
Okay. 61, night.
Yes.
62, light.
Yes.
65, internet.
Yes.
75, brainstorm.
Yes.
77, Damal Dumail.
Right.
80, shine.
Right.
85, sanitizer.
Yes.
87, memory.
Right.
98, PlayStation.
Right.
99, awareness.
Wonderful awareness of objects without seeing. You are just simply playing. That's excellent. Now we
Thank you so
have
much.
Yukta.
Good evening all, namaste. So I'll be telling it in the descending order. 99 awareness, 98 PlayStation, 87 memory, 85 sanitizer, 84 shine, 77 Damal Dumail, 75 brainstorm, 65 internet, 62 light, 61 night, 57 tennis, 31 Venus, 25 Jupiter, 19 car, 14 pen, 12 computer, 10 book, 9 Max eSmart, 8 CA, 4 studies, 1 excellence.
Excellent, Yukta. Fantastic. Congrats to both of you. Please don't remove. Still, we have random, because if I am an onlooker without knowing any techniques, there is always a suspicious thought for me. Okay, somebody could have mugged up. Is it possible to mug up? And when we have memory techniques in our hand, why should we go for mugging up, which is a very stale method? So we will prove that by doing random. Now the forum is open for people to ask, and probably if you can just indicate me, I will take few questions directly, and of course the chat box. If you can give me a reaction, I will choose person to ask a couple of questions, and of course the chat box is open for you. Throw the number or the object, they should be able to give the answer. Yes, please. Please ask. Somebody who can, if you can raise hands, I will unmute, or you can unmute yourself and then tell. Yes, please. Okay. 10.
Book.
Okay, 10 book. Parameshwari, you can also have
penis.
demo. Okay, guess the number of car.
19.
Car 19.
19. Yes, car is 19. Somebody wants to know what is in 10, just now finished.
Book.
14.
Pen.
Pen.
14 is pen. Yes, please. Please ask. You don't need to remember. They will do it for you. 46.
Not existing.
46, nothing.
Nothing. Nothing is there. So we remember, they remember nothing also. That means everything. Okay, tennis.
57.
57.
57 is tennis. Yes, please. Sanitizer.
85.
85.
85 sanitizer. Yes, Parameshwari, one for you. 75.
Brainstorm.
Muted, so I will unmute you, Parameshwari. You are muted.
Okay.
Okay. Memory. Somebody wants to know memory.
87.
87. Yes. Light. One for you. One more.
62.
Light.
62.
62. Wonderful. 76.
Not given.
Not given. Not given. That's brilliant. Okay. One to each of you. Mr. Murali Krishna, this
Yes.
question is for you. CA. What is the number for CA?
8.
That's correct. Yukta.
Yes,
One
sir.
question for you. See, they can go on to do. Okay, the question for you is, okay, memory you finished. 77.
Damal Dumail.
77 is Damal Dumail. That's a Damal Dumail answer. One last, Max eSmart will be the last for Parameshwari.
9, sir.
09. Excellent. Let us give a big hands. Wonderful. But it's a wonderful demo of objects. Remembering just like them, and you can ping them separately here, and you can find out how they have done it. It is not mugging. It is a process of memorizing. Mugging is a very crude cut and paste method, whereas memorizing is copying from brain, effortless. You saw them doing it. The proof of the pudding in his eating. So lies in his eating. Wonderful, congrats. Now we will go
Thank
to digits. Yes, husband has given to wife the mantle. Digits. A few minutes back, we gave digits and we have participants ready for digits. We have Dr. Nikhil, who will do in the ascending order. These people have memorized, all the three have memorized 40 random digits, 20 pairs they have memorized. The other three we collected for another demo, which I said, which is a higher level demo. And they have taken interest to do this 20 pairs. Still, it's a huge challenge. Remembering 40 numbers, 4 mobile numbers at a stretch. It is going to be a challenge. Yes, Dr. Nikhil.
Am I audible, sir?
You are very much.
Yeah, I'll start.
Yes.
08,
Yes.
17,
Yes.
18,
Right.
13,
Right.
02,
Right.
01,
Yes.
11,
Yes.
06,
Yes.
84,
Yes.
12,
Yes.
03,
Yes.
18.
Right.
Sir, am I audible?
Very much. Very much. Yes. Please
Yeah,
proceed.
03, 18,
Right.
23,
Right.
06,
Right.
09,
Right.
29,
Right.
15,
Right.
18,
Right.
15,
Right.
09.
0909. That's wonderful. After finishing his speech, he has come back, he has memorized, and he is ready. Okay. Now I have
Thank
two
you.
people who are going to do reverse of reverse. See, the 20th pair is 09. So in reverse of telling the sequence in reverse means they will start from the 20th pair and tell the number. But we are giving them a challenge, a reverse of that number reverse. So they are not going to say 09, they are going to say 90, 90, as if we are reading from the other side. We call it a reverse of reverse, an extreme left and right brain combination demo this is. Okay, so Ms. Kavita, you can do from 20 to 11 and probably Mr. Ilago will do 10 to 1. Anything. Yes, please.
Reverse of
Ladies
reverse,
first.
sir.
Yes,
Reverse
reverse
of
of
reverse.
reverse.
Okay, fine. So I will do from 20 to 11.
Yes, please.
Okay. 90,
Yes,
51,
right,
81,
Right.
51,
right,
92,
right,
90,
right,
32,
right. 90,
60,
yes, correct,
32,
right,
81,
right,
30.
yes. This is how, what she has done is a wonderful demo. Even if it slips, how to recover from that. That's important. That is the crucial thing. They will not get tensed, they will not get choked because we are backed up by the technique. Yes, 14th pair. She just slipped, went ahead, and then came back and told. Yes, Mr. Elango, over to you. I'm sure your daughter is very much busy watching you.
Okay,
She's also
sir.
a Max student and she did all these demos. As a couple,
loud
a
and
total
visible,
family. Yes.
Audible
yes,
and
sir.
visible?
Yes, loud and clear.
Yes, thank you, sir. I'm going to do the reverse of reverse from 10 to 01.
I request others to mute, please. Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. I'm starting from 10th pair.
Yeah, please proceed.
21, 48, 60, 11,
Correct.
10,
Right.
20,
Right.
31,
Right.
81,
Right.
71,
Right.
80.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, this is reverse of reverse. Now again, to all the three, we are going to check them in random. You can type a specific number in the chat box. They should tell in which pair they occur. The yellow color sequence of 1 to 20, you can ask. They should tell what is the number inside. Or you can ask, this number is where? Now I have 18. 18 number is occurring in which position? Yes,
Sir, it is
Mr.
occurring
Ilango.
in third. Sorry.
Okay,
okay.
she has told. Please go ahead. Go ahead. Third
Okay.
and
Yeah, it is occurring in third pair, and
Yes.
then in 12th pair,
yes,
and also in
18th
18th pair. 18th
18th
pair.
pair. Yes, yes, 18th pair. Very good. 32 is being asked. 32.
32 is not there.
32 is not there. Yes, that's excellent. 11. Dr. Nikhil, can you tell where was 11?
Seventh number pair. It is.
Yes, 7th pair. Madam Kavita, where is number 06?
06 is in two places. One is in 8th pair,
Yes,
and another one is in the 14th.
yes. Tundu oru vaati da kizha vilu. Indha vaati kizha viladu. Yes, 14th pair she recollected. Okay, can I have 09? Where is 09 occurring? Ilankum Srilango?
Yes. 09 is occurring in two places. One is in the 15th pair
Yes.
and other is in the 20th pair.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, one to Dr. Nikhil. Probably one question last for everybody. 23, doctor. Where is 23?
13th number pair, sir.
Yes, 13th number pair. 38, Madam Kavita. 38, Miss Kavita, 38.
38 is not given.
Not given. That is right. Okay, so 18th we have seen. One last. Number 11 is occurring only once between 1 and 20. After that, it is occurring. You are going to see that demo also. I have a question from somebody. Why 11 is in multiple places but not repeated? They have done from 1 to 20, and in 1 to 20, it's occurring only in one place. One last question for Mr. Ilango. Somebody would like to take a chance? Okay, I will ask our Guru, Dr. Reddy. He has not asked anything. He's watching the show. So let us drag him in. Yes, sir.
Yes, Ilango.
Yes, sir.
Where is 03 coming?
03 is not coming anywhere, sir.
Huh? 03 is coming. See how
03
wonderfully the
11th
teacher
pair,
has
11th
caught,
pair, 11th pair. Yes.
the teacher has
11th
caught
pair.
you at your weakest link. One more, sir. One more.
Okay. Where is 13 coming?
13 is
13.
coming in 4th pair.
Excellent.
Fourth pair.
Excellent.
That's
Excellent.
correct. That's
Excellent.
correct. Excellent. Congrats to all three of you.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderfully
Thank
done.
you.
Objects and digits are there in a wonderful couple. So I'm sure no longer grocery items are going to be challenging, and your bills are going to come down because you're going to remember everything. Excellent. Now we have seen objects demo. We have seen digits demo. But if I were to be in your place, I'm going to ask you this question. What big deal in remembering numbers? It's fantastic. It is not easy to remember objects. It is not easy to remember digits. I really salute. But what next? Is there anything can be done using this? That is where Max has come in, and we have set records in applications. This is like using it to daily functional usage. This is what most of the web sharing. In my day-to-day life, I'm going to implement and use it. And just to add a tinge of originality or realistic thing to this, when I met, I'm there for the last 22 years, I would say, and Dr. Sudhir is senior to me that way. So when I met the world memory champion, one Mr. Michael Tipper, He had come all the way from London to be part as a jury member in our national memory event. And we were to travel together traveling. And he was asking after seeing the demo, see, I'm a memory champion. I can remember objects, digits, great. But I cannot remember periodic table. How did you guys remember? So this is what he was asking. And he is not a normal person. He's not a novice. He's the champion in memory in the world records. That's what they are going to say. And he was asking, and he learned the technique from Dr. Reddy before leaving. So yes, knowledge is to share. So the application of it, how wonderful it will be for a student if he can remember the periodic table of elements, if he can remember the history dates. History will be no longer mystery. You are going to see. To start with, we are having pin codes of Bangalore. We have a few participants who are attending, and they have memorized their professional need. They are in a leading logistics and a courier company, and the manager and others they have done it. Yes, we have 2-3 people doing this. Bangalore city pin code. Yes, please. Next slide. So we have, yes, Yukta. First round, for the benefit of the guest, she has memorized the pin code number and the area. So first round, probably we will stick to number. Please ask any number. She should tell the area, and the area, she should be able to tell the number. First round, we will stick to numbers. I will also have Vinod. Yes, Vinod. So both of them have done it. Yes, when you are ready, we will start. 2 slides we have, 1 to 60 and 61 to 100. First, we will concentrate on this. Okay, I already have questions. Excellent. 42.
Shivan Shetty Gardens.
Yes, it is Shivan Shetty Gardens. 34. We know. 34.
Koramangala.
Yeah, it is Koramangala. Yes, Vinod. Okay, Koramangala. She said it. 60.
Kengeri.
Kengeri. This is for Vinod. 8.
Sir, Alchur.
Little louder.
Alchur, sir.
Yes, it is also. 16. One more for you. 16.
Ramurthy Nagar.
Yes, it is Ramurthy Nagar. One last for you. 50. 50.
So for me, Ashok
Yes.
Nagar.
Yes, it is Ashok Nagar. Yukta, couple for you
Yes, sir.
from this slide. 18.
Chamratpet.
Yes. Next slide, please. Please ask from this. 61 to 100. Any number. 92.
Amrutnalli.
Okay. Now, one last question for numbers. Please type the area. Audience, please type the area. Let them tell the number. Yelanka.
64.
64 is Yelanka. 1 to Mr. Vinod. GKVK.
65.
Vinod.
65.
Yes, it is 65. One more to Vinod. Raja Rajeshwari Nagar. Raja Rajeshwari Nagar. Yes, did you say something?
98 it is, sir.
Yes, it is 98. That's correct.
Sorry.
Now, final round of questions to Yukta.
Yes, sir.
Electronic City.
100.
Vruttur.
87.
Yeah, Vartu, right? Yes.
Vartu.
Haskur.
99.
99. One last. West of Code Road.
86.
86. Fantastic. Give big hands for them. Excellent. This
Thank you,
is
sir.
what they needed every single day, and it is there at their fingertips now. By seeing, they can tell which area is it and what not. Yes, next is we are going to have Guruvayur demo. Trishur pin codes. And this is still more wonderful because here you have one area, 101 one area, 201 a different, 301 a different area, 501 a different area. So she has memorized everything. Same rule. 13. Madam Latha.
You are muted, madam.
I'll spot her. Madam?
Yeah, yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So, okay, 13 was asked, the 1-3.
Kuttur,
Yes, Kuttu வச்ச மாதிரி சொல்றீங்க. Yes, it is Kuttur. 104.
Brahmagulam,
Yes, இல்லனா குட்டு வைக்கலாம்னு நினைச்சோம் சொல்லிட்டீங்க. Okay, 120. Okay, 101. Sorry,
Guruvayur,
Guruvayur. 321. Sorry, did I get it wrong? 321. Can you go to the next slide? I don't think it is listed. 321.
no.
Can you ask
Not
something
that.
from this, please? Okay, 562. 562.
So 1 minute.
எங்களுக்கு அர்த்தமே புரிய மாட்டேங்குது.
Okay. Deshabanga, no, 1 minute. Cherp. Cherp and this
is
Aratukula.
Yeah. Correct. I think it's a long distance pin code. I think that's why it's taking
That's
time
it.
to go there. Okay, relax. 507.
50.
Areas, please. Please ask areas also.
Yes. Poverty.
Yeah, I hope no poverty there. Okay. 123. Do we have that number? 123.
Yes. It's
Yes, madam.
Konathukunna.
Okay. Desamangalam.
532.
Wonderful. 532. One more. Chundal.
502.
Can we go to the next slide, please? There is a next slide also. Yeah, from this. 662.
Kalparab.
Yes. Vadama.
732.
We'll Swiggy one vadai for you for sure. That is correct. 751.
Eravimangalam.
One last. Kaipamangalam.
Kaipamangalam. 681.
681. Brilliant, fantastic. Can you believe she did it in less than a day? This excellent, ma'am. We'll wait for your next demo.
Thank you, sir.
You can tell your friend, or you could have invited her today. Yeah, fine.
Yeah, exactly.
Fine. So your grandchildren are going to benefit a lot. Yeah, yes. So from pin codes, we are moving into science. Periodic table of elements. It used to be nightmare for me also as a science student, and I proudly tell my students when I train them. I am a biochemist, so even 10 years of chemistry, I knew 3 elements: 1 hydrogen, 6 carbon, 8 oxygen. But in less than an hour, I could memorize, and I have seen any number of students memorizing periodic table, not mugging, memorizing through logic. So here we have a teacher and a doctor. What a deadly combination. So one is a knowledge savior, one is a life savior. Both of them are there, and over to them for the periodic table of elements. So, yes,
Audible,
Dr.
sir?
Nikhil, very much audible. Madam Kavita is also audible. Yes, please. First round numbers. Please ask. This is a venue for students to ask as many questions, even for the matter adults. 21, madam. You're muted.
21 scandium.
Yes, you did scan that and tell yes, scandium. 32, doctor.
Germanium.
Yes, it is 32, germanium. Yttrium. Okay, the question paper is changed now. No problem. Yttrium.
39.
Yes, 39 is yttrium. Doctor, next question to you is 44.
Ruthenium.
Correct. Madam, tin.
Sorry, sir. Tin. 50.
Yes. Doctor, platinum. Can you go to the next slide, please? Platinum.
78.
Yes. All your relatives and family members will get you a platinum drink. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Platinum. Yes. Anything from this, please? Protactinium. Ms. Kavita?
91.
Yes, it is 91. Dysprosium. Doctor?
66.
Okay. Gold.
79.
Yeah, I think wrong question. Sorry. You will remember by default. Both will remember. Husband, wife will remember because somebody is paying and somebody is getting it. Yes, iodine.
For me,
Yes, doctor.
53.
Actinium will be the last question to Madam Kavita. 80.
Actinium 89.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I gave the lead. 89 actinium. Okay, 83, the last, doctor, for you.
Radium.
83, sir.
Sorry, bismuth.
Yes, it is bismuth. Okay, last question to Ms. Kavita. Lead.
82.
Wonderful lead by both of you. Congrats.
Thank you.
You have done it wonderfully. The next will be, I'm sure the students are going to have a whale of time when you demonstrate this, madam, and they'll be really inspired also.
Definitely, sir. Otherwise, me being a bio teacher, definitely not possible to memorize periodic. Never in my dreams it is possible.
This is
And
a
I did
dream
it in a
come
matter of
true.
2 hours. That's it.
Yeah, this is a dream come true.
Yeah.
My dream
Definitely.
came true. Apart from doctor, the chemistry was my favorite subject. So my dream came true today.
Great, great. Now we have the next one. Doctor creating a history by doing history dates.
Okay.
He said he's a spiritual person and he wants to know more about what is happening around. So historical dates, another reason why many students feel very let down, the dates and events and things like that. But if alone they know how to do it, yes, when there is a know-how, everything falls in line. Unfortunately, children are not aware of the know-how. I'm sure with Max E-Smart things will be more easy. Here we have a year and a specific event happened in that particular year. So here you see a number, a 4-digit one and an event. So whether it's a 2-digit and an object or a periodic table, anything under the sun. 1885 is your first question.
Indian National Congress was first established, the first.
Yes,
starting.
1835.
The great Jhansi Ki Rani was born.
Yes, the great Rani Lakshmi Bai was born. 100 BC.
It was the binary system of numbers which India gave to the world.
Yes, and one more from this slide. Sati was abolished. Then we'll flip side. Sati was abolished.
1829.
Pokhran. Okay, Dr. Sudhir is asking. Pokhran.
Pokhran, there are a couple of things. The testing was done Pokhran in 1998.
Yes.
But Pokhran device was set in 1974.
Oh, wonderful. Yes, first underground nuclear device in Pokhran. So two relevance. Yes. And somebody wants to know Chandrayaan was launched successfully. Last but one question.
2008, sir. That's the.
Yes, the last one is fast breed test reactor at Kalpakkam was launched.
Yeah, it is in 1985.
1985. Excellent, excellent, doctor. Congrats.
Thank you.
We will not give Nobel Prize and all.
Yeah,
But
thanks.
it's wonderful,
I lost
noble
that
of you.
Nobel Prize only.
It is noble of you to do these many things. Very good, doctor. We really appreciate your interest. This is amazing. And one more demo. He's still doing one more demo. He wants to go for history and the global tour of countries and capitals. For memorizing, there is no corona fear. So, Poda Mudila at least memorize Panlan Soluti. He has memorized along with Mr. Ilango countries and capitals. Can we have countries and capitals? So we have a country and its capital. You can ask the country name or the capital, they will reload. Alternatively, I want you to answer, Dr. Nikhil and Mr. Ilango. Finland.
Helsinki.
Yeah. So maybe the next one you can answer, Mr. Ilango. Cuba.
Havana.
China.
Cuba, Havana.
Yeah, China.
Beijing.
Yes, somebody wants to know the
China,
source
Beijing.
code. Yeah. Somebody wants to know the source code of Corona, maybe. Afghanistan.
Kabul.
Fiji.
Tua.
Next slide, please. There are a couple of more slides. So we'll take Iceland.
Reykjavik.
That's right. Poland.
Warsaw.
Yes, it is Warsaw. Italy.
Rome.
Yes, we have a patriotic Indian asking India. For India, New Delhi, no memory.
New Delhi.
Yeah, okay. No, some people still say it's Delhi. Actually, it's New Delhi. Okay. Oman.
Yeah, New Delhi.
Muscat.
Muscat. Oh, sorry.
Okay, no problem. Qatar.
Doha.
Okay, next slide, please. Yeah, from this, please. Dodoma.
Tanzania.
Tanzania's capital.
Oh, both of you have said. Saudi Arabia to Mr. Ilango.
Riyadh.
Riyadh. Right? Maybe Spain.
Madrid.
Yes, they were lucky yesterday to win. Spain. One last to
Yeah.
Mr. Ilango. Syria.
Damascus.
Okay, one last to Doctor. Tunisia. Oh, easy one.
Tunis.
Yes. So Tunisia. Okay, I will give you Sri Lanka as the last. I have received a question. Yes.
Shall I take it? Colombo.
Yeah, please. Colombo. Okay, one last to Mr. Ilango. Sana.
Yemen.
Yes, Yemen. Wonderful. Thank you for taking us all around the globe. Here, just a reminder to all the visitors, there are no numbers. All along, what you saw was with numbers. But here it was no numbers. And you have one more demo, no numbers. So without number, how to memorize? See the various requirements and its applications. That is what memory is all about. Anything thrown at the individual, we should be able to memorize. We need techniques for that. Now, Mr. Sundar Dandapani is ready with 50 digits. To save time, we will straight away go for the toughest random. It took 15 minutes. Okay, somebody can even mug up for 15 minutes. Is it? I don't think so. As a memory trainer, I don't think it is possible to mug up. Still, we always set record standards. Let them ask in random order. Random is the most challenging. Unless they know everything, telling random is impossible. So here we have Sundar, who is going to recollect the digits randomly. So now I'll take up that question where one student asked why this number is repeated and not told. Sundar, are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I will start the question. 11.
Yeah, 11 occurs in multiple places.
Please tell the spots.
It occurs in the seventh pair.
Right.
It occurs in the 33rd pair.
Right.
It also occurs in the 34th pair.
That is right. That is right. Okay. Somebody is asking 41st pair.
41st pair is 02.
02. That's right. 48th pair.
48th pair is 86.
86. Okay. Can I have, okay, I have a question here. 15th pair.
15th pair is 09.
09, that's right. 45th pair.
45th pair is 65.
Okay. I will request Reddy sir to choose any 5 digits which you want him to recollect in any sequence. Just I'm
Yes,
creating
Sundar.
a list.
Sundar,
Yes, doctor.
start from 21st box to 25th box.
21st box. Okay.
Onwards.
Yeah. So it's 53,
Super.
48,
Yes,
07,
yes,
63,
yes.
and 22.
Excellent.
Yes, when we did this such demos just to show that it is absolutely possible to do, and there is a technique to back up. I'm repeating, there is a technique to back up because in the exams, that is what is letting down many students and helping other students who know how to do it. So it should be backed up by a technique. Probably I'll take one last question. And that will be, okay, 2 questions I will take. 32nd pair and 50th pair. Can you tell what is the 32nd pair?
32nd pair is 75. And what is
Right.
the next one? Is it
50th pair, last one.
50th? Yeah. 50th pair is 38.
Fantastic, Sundar. That is really amazing. So he has memorized everything, and ஒரு பான சோத்துக்கு ஒரு சோறு பதம் நம்ம ஒரு 15 சோறு கேட்டுட்டோம் அவரை. He has not missed anything. I'm sure we all believe he has done it. And let me hold him here for his next demo. On 23rd June, the Consortium of Cyber Crime Prevention released a manual. 23rd June. And he was casually asking, is it possible? And we thought, why not? And here he has memorized this MITRE, is their consortium. It's a world famous consortium, cyber framework. So he has memorized this framework pattern. The heading is hardened. That is one of the methodologies. And in that, there are these many processes, subheadings. The application hardening is the second subheading. And beneath that, there are 6 different things to be handled. So the blue shaded one is the primary heading. The gray one is the secondary heading. And the remaining are the intricacies in that particular system. So to understand itself, it's going to take some time. So the question pattern is, I will take the lead. Suppose if I'm going to ask Mr. Sundar, RF shielding. Can you tell Mr. Sundar, where is RF shielding coming up?
Yeah. So RF shielding comes under hardening, right?
Yes, it comes
And-
under harden.
Yeah. And platform hardening.
Platform hardening. You're able to see, I'm sure you could see the intricacy in that. We are asking a specific terminology. So he has to tell where it is and under what heading it is. Okay, just to confuse or to make it a little more creative, change the slides, please, 2-3 times, so that we have used the harden now. We'll take more questions. Next slide, please. No, next slide only, yeah. So there are so many here in each thing. If you can type, please type the questions. I will request Reddy sir and Dr. Sudhir to take it forward with a few questions.
File hashing.
Sorry, file hashing. File hashing.
Yeah. So file hashing comes under detect.
Yes, it is detect.
Yes. And file analysis.
Very good.
File analysis. That's right. Okay. File access pattern analysis. Can you tell where is file access pattern analysis.
Yeah.
After you tell
yeah.
only, we can find out the answer. It's too many here. Yeah.
Yeah, it comes under detect
Yes, it is detect.
and process analysis.
That is correct. Memory boundary tracking.
Memory boundary tracking.
Tracking.
Yes. Yeah. It comes under monitoring, platform monitoring.
Yes, platform monitoring. That's correct. Yes, sir. One from you, sir.
URL analysis.
URL analysis once again comes under detect
Yes.
and under identifier analysis.
Very
Okay.
good.
Can you
very
tell
good.
all the process in user behavior analysis?
Yes. So under user behavior analysis, you have authentication event threshold, you have
Yes.
authorization event threshold,
Yes.
you have job function access pattern analysis,
Yes.
you have resource access pattern analysis,
Yes.
you have user data transfer analysis,
Yes.
you have user geolocation logon pattern analysis,
Yes.
you have analysis,
Yes.
web session activity,
Yes, you are right.
you have session duration analysis.
Wonderful. Okay, I have a question here. Decoy session token.
So decoy session token comes under deceive
Yes,
decoy
this is-
object.
Dr. Nikhil wanted to memorize number plates, which is a combination of letter and a number with the code. So is it possible? Again, a different software is required, a different concept. Number, without number, combination of numbers, absolutely anything under the sun. That's what we say. So registration, Mumbai vehicle registration. Yes, doctor. Quickly, a few questions.
RTO Sangli.
Yes, sir.
RTO Sangli.
Sangli is 10, MH10.
Yes, for us it is Sangli only because
Yes, sir.
Okay.
RTO Akola.
30.
30. Yeah, it is 30. Sorry. I was waiting for some other number. Yes, I have a couple of questions here. Solapur.
MH13.
Sorry, 13. Huh?
That's right.
Yeah, 13 is
13,
right.
sir.
Correct. Kolhapur.
MH09.
09. Next slide, please. Quickly. Something from this. 33. Previous slide. Okay, it goes to previous slide. Still we go. Previous slide.
Gadchiroli.
Sorry.
33 is Gadchiroli.
Gadchiroli is correct. Next slide, please. 2 from this. Can you ask for the area? Malegaon.
41 Malegaon is.
Yes, 41 West. Ahmed Nahar. Ahmed Nahar
Yes.
will be the last. Doctor?
I'm not
Ahmed
getting,
Nahar.
sir.
Yeah.
So I'm not getting the questions.
Ahmed Nahar, Nagar.
16, MH16.
Okay, it's in the previous. Okay, Nagpur. 16, Ahmed Nagar is right.
Nagpur urban would be MH31. Nagpur rural would be 40.
Next
And
slide.
Nagpur east would be 49.
Wonderful. So east, west, rural, urban, all areas you have covered. That is great. That is great, Doctor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. With this, we are going to go to the one of the ultimate demos of remembering a book and its page number. Just imagine the comfort what a student is going to acquire when he can remember the page number and its content. It will be like Chitti Robo, though we don't recommend. Yes, it is going to be possible. And how wonderful it is, Rather than doing something, they have taken a highly acclaimed self-development digest authored by Dr. J.N. Reddy, which is a highly rated book for its content and its intent. Even look at the headings, people will get inspired. That's what the comments, what we used to get. So here we have a few friends who have memorized the page number and the heading. They're ready for the show. Okay, the very first question itself is why worry? We don't worry. They will tell.
17, page number 17.
Yes, page number 17 is why worry. That is right. Okay, we will restrict to this slide so that because there are multiple slides. 26. 26.
Leader and boss.
Leader and boss. Madam
Lata
Lata, you
ma'am,
have to unmute. Leader and boss. So one question to Yukta. 13.
Thinking about thinking, possibility thinking.
Yes, possibility thinking.
Yeah.
Madam 11. Lata Madam 11.
Ever enthralling expressions on
Yes.
expression
on
on
excellence.
existence.
Excellent. That's correct. Next slide, please. Here I want you to ask the content. They should tell the page number. Let us check them the other way around. Please ask the content. Let them tell the answer. Page number. Ford's words.
59.
59.
Okay. Many words are coming. 59. Okay. Yukta, I'll
Yes,
take
sir.
from you. Need not be so.
38.
38. Madam, creativity.
65.
65. Mr. Murali, enthusiasm.
37.
Yes, that is your enthusiasm. Yukta, loss of success. Then we'll.
67.
Okay, 1 to Madam, then we change the slide. The joy of orderly living.
60, 61, and 62.
60, 61, and 62. Joy of orderly living is a continuous process, so it goes to 3 pages. Next slide, please. Yes, please. Page number or heading. Choice is yours. Take the last slide. Choice is yours. It pays to listen.
99.
99. Think positive, Madam.
97.
Yes, it is 97. 82, Mr. Murali.
Did we go wrong?
You did not go wrong. It's correct. Okay, one last to all of them. Quickly. Work is worship. Yes, it is.
Can I say? 90.
Yeah, you can say.
90.
90. Worship. Excellent. 100 is for Yukta.
What faith denies, perseverance pays.
Absolutely, it is paying you all. Congrats to everybody. Now comes the Guinness record breaking demo of perpetual calendar. You can remove this thing because only the question is going to be typed. The answer you are going to tell. Already Lata Madam has told what is this demo all about. Perpetual calendar is if somebody gives a year, month, and a date, the day can be told in no time. All they have to do is tell the year, month, and the date. So we'll take a question, year, followed by name of the month, and then the day. Our people should answer it in no time. Yes, please. Can I have the question? Somebody can type the question. Okay, I have already received a question. 1976. December 25. My good friend Prasanna. And he has made sure that this day I won't be able to forget because it's my wife's birthday also. Okay, December 25. He wants to know what day he was born. He knows
Shall
for
I?
sure.
Shall I, sir? Saturday.
Saturday.
Okay, let us check. Let us check. People needs to know this. 1976. I will take 1976.
Correct.
December. Actually, the website is little slow, if I'm right. Answer came faster. It is. It is. Let us take one more question. I have the question here. 2015. 2015. Month is December.
2015, December 12, 22, December 22, 2015.
And the date is 22.
Tuesday, sir.
Yes, Madhavan?
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Thursday.
Yes, yes, it is Tuesday. It is Tuesday. Yes. For want of time, I'll take one more question. I have as 2010. I'll type it here in the calendar directly. 2010, June 16.
Wednesday, sir.
Wednesday.
Yes, it is
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yes, it is Wednesday. Great, great. Kudos to all of you. This is an extreme left brain activator. See, people can say, like, you are checking the answer in timeanddate.com, which is known for telling all these things. I can anytime check. But the beauty here is typing time and time or Alexa or Google or Siri can give the answer, but they don't activate the brain. For them to tell this answer, they have activated their left brain, and which is very crucial for every student to recollect his answers in the exam hall. Recollection zone should be very good. For that, left brain is the key. So we insist that every student should be an expert in this. An adult, all of us are students, ever learning students. It is the usage is very high for them, and it's an extreme left brain sharpening activity. That is why we wanted, and they have done it. Congrats to all of you. I'm sure Dr. Reddy is here, and he has seen all the demos. First ever online workshop for executives. We had our own research, our own methodologies, our own planning. Let me have the pleasure of inviting our guru, beloved Dr. J.N. Reddy, the CMD of Max eSmart Skills Private Limited, to give away the certificates, which all of them richly deserve, and say a few words as a valedictory address. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Venkat. My dear participants of Train Your Brain workshop, and guests and friends. What a delight to me. After 28 years, today I'm attending my first ever online training live program. What a wonderful way you have done. I have no words to say it. It is not just to praise you. You have surprised me by doing excellently more than what I expected. My dear friends, it has been scientifically surveyed and then found out, though we have more than 10,000 crores of brain cells, we hardly use 10%. But the good news is, if we can use just 5% more, you tend to become genius. Because even Einstein was estimated to have used 15 to 17% only. You have used extraordinarily. We have tested your memory on the first day. I had the opportunity to do research and devise a new scale called memory quotient, a comprehensive scale. And we tested your MQ, memory quotient, on the day one. On the day last, you have seen such a big improvement. And my dear friends, you have attended world's most intensive memory training program. And for those who are attending as guests here, do not know, sir, how do you claim that it is world's most intensive? It's because of one thing, all my friends know. Several techniques people may give, but nowhere anyone can give permanent memory technique, because that is what Max has done research for decades and then tested on several thousands of people and then brought out a new process, first time in the whole world. that also you have mastered. Wonderful things you have mastered and amazed me also. You richly deserve congratulations and appreciations. So let me declare presentation of the certificates to these participants. Balraju Sekhar, Chandrasekhar, Nikhil, Dr. Nikhil,
Thank you,
Dr.
sir.
Sudhir, Ilango,
Thank you, sir.
Hari Prasad, Karthik, Mrs. Lata,
Sir.
Madhavan, Madhavi,
Thank you, sir.
Muhammad, Kavita,
Thank you, sir.
Murali Krishna,
Thank you so much, sir.
Murali, Parameswari, Ramesh, Shrikant, Sultan Abbas, Sundar Dandapani,
Thank you, doctor.
Varshapati, Vijay Jay Reddy, Vinod Kumar, and Yukta.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Vijay.
Thank you, Venkat sir. I believe that everybody would would have enjoyed this session. So what I would like to say is, irrespective of whether you are a record holder or a participant, practice is the biggest key in this. So I've completely lost touch, and I'm really glad that I took a decision to attend this course, which was a beautiful refresher. I once again thank Dr. Reddy and Mr. Venkat for having given me this opportunity. And what I would like to say is, make this as part of your everyday life. So I have decided that, and as a chartered accountant, I would like to apply for my profession, and something which I have not done for the last 12 years of practice. Now I'd like to make a challenge to myself that I would like to take all 298 sections of Income Tax Act with the subsections. So I like to make a demo in the next time when we have this. So with that, I'll come to this vote of thanks. So as they say, take everything positively and see the good things, good side of it. So this Corona lockdown has given the initiation for this Max eSmart, like Robo 2.0. Now we got Max 2.0 online. And I'm sure the various courses that we have is going to reach people of all ages across the globe. So it's going to be a wonderful one. I thank all the visitors and invitees. I'm sure you would have been enthralled seeing all the participants perform, all the scintillating performance rather. And to the participants, once a Maxonian, you are a Maxonian for life. So be proud and make yourself proud. So once again, thanks for joining us. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, Vijay. Once a Maxonian forever. Excellent. Don't be ex-Maxonians, like ex-MLAs and ex-MPs. It's there, our practice schedules are there. One thing I would like to add, I found a lot of curiosity among many participants. Even if there is a small change in the question, we have a pattern just for the benefit of our invitees. They attend a session and same day they have a couple of tasks to complete. So like a child, 12 o'clock it opens, the booth opens. So election starts by 12 noon. And they'll go and take up the test, do the task and fill up the answers and cross-check it. And next day again something starts. So this was a very intensive session, not just listening, it's more of practicing, train your brain. And we have also shared them how to practice through our website, where we have already have the calendar and a few more applications are there. And God willing, with good hands, people joining us, for sure it is going to be in a different level altogether. As Vijay said, 2.0 is there and it's Damal Dumit, sure. So it was a great show. I congratulate everybody. As Vijay said, practice is the price we pay for perfection. And the secret of success, the success is sweet, but the secret is sweat. So that is what is going to happen. We are going to set up a WhatsApp group where the participants are going to get random calls from other participants and check their memory application. And Vijay will be doing the income tax demo also. So I'll fix Vijay also in that. So it is possible. Why not? Why not? It's absolutely possible. So it was great pleasure having you all. I extend a warm welcome and a thanks to all the invitees also. And we'll end with max affirmation. Back to the memory couple.
Yes, sir. Every moment I
excel, making my life enchanting, blissful,
and purposeful.
It was enchanting, it was blissful, and of course, it is with purpose. Thank you. Thank you for joining for this day.